Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you open your heart so that you can receive more of the love and the light that is always here for you and fill you with a deep sense of gratitude and peace. I'm so glad you're here, dear one. If we haven't met yet, I'm Carolyn, spiritual mentor, and this channel is all about helping you still your mind and awaken your soul while using the healing energy of horses as our guide. Before we begin, dear one, let your eyes gaze over the images of the horses who will be coming along with you throughout this meditation. Let their soulful strength and their powerful presence wash over you. Feel yourself being bathed in a healing light that is calm, confident, peaceful, and present. Horses are prey animals. They must remain in the present moment, calm yet alert, in order to respond if or when it is needed. For them, there is no yesterday. There is no tomorrow. There is only right now. Let this wisdom of the horses merge with you now as you get yourself comfortable in a seated position, and then whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Begin by taking a deep breath in and letting a slow exhale out. Become aware of your breath flowing through you. On your next breath in, feel the back of your head stretching your body up towards the sky. And on your next breath out, feel your tailbone stretching down towards the earth. Let your body sit up straight. Let your body sit down softly. No tension here. With each continuous breath, invite a deeper sense of softness and a deeper sense of groundedness. And now, bring your awareness to your heart center. Feel that space. Feel the space within your ribs. Feel the space around your heart. Feel that space expanding. With each continuous breath, invite a deeper sense of softness within your ribs and a deeper sense of openness around your heart. within this space, imagine a small, warm, glowing light. And with each continuous breath, let this warm, gentle light grow and expand. And as it fills and fills and overflows within this heart space, send it up towards your head and out through the top of your head towards the sky. Breathe in, breathe out. And as it fills more and overflows more, no limit here, send it down your spine and out towards the earth. You are held between heaven and earth. And you are loved by Source, by all that is, all that was, and all that ever will be. Ask your heart what it needs, and then just receive it. No work to do. Just allow yourself to be filled with whatever it is you need. Breathe in, breathe out. Allow yourself to be whatever it is you need. Allow yourself to overflow with everything you need, sending it out in all directions. Feeling a sense of gratitude that all you need is always here. Just ask, just receive. Take some final moments here to breathe in more limitless love and breathe out more overflowing gratitude. And then whenever you're ready, come back to the room and gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation helped you feel calm, grounded, and open to receiving all that you need whenever you need it. Please let me know in the comments if it was supportive for you. It really does mean so much to me to hear from you. And if you'd like to go deeper with getting out of your head and back into your heart, then I invite you to take advantage of my free 3-day mini course, Master Your Energy. You can click on the link in the description. And as always, if you received any benefit from this meditation, please show it some love by clicking like and subscribe. This really does help me create more of them for you. Thank you so much for listening, dear one. Have a beautiful day.